Today we are going to solve the next problem called as house robber. So this is question number 198. Let's jump into the description of the question. So yeah, we are given you are a professional robber planning to rob a house along a street. Okay. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. Fair enough. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of them is that adjacent houses have security systems it connected, and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses are broken into the same night. Okay, so one observation is that we need to we cannot we can't rob from adjacent house. That's pretty much it. And given an array nums representing the amount of money each house, it is the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. Okay, return max money robbed without alerting, without robbing from adjacent house. So yeah, that is what pretty much which is given. Now let's write down the thought process for this question. So yeah. What I was thinking was like uh, robbing the first house. Robbing the first house. If we start, like we need to be very sure, like from where I can start. Either I can start from the first house or the second house. Okay, and then I can move to I plus one, and there could be a possibility where this one can be much more smaller, like here it is. And like obviously, like if I go with the greedy approach, my approach should have been like out of the first two I should go with second house, and then I should jump I plus equal to 2, and I should drop this house, which would have resulted me with answer as 3. So if I move here, if I don't follow the greedy, if I go from here 1 3, so I will get the value as 4. So yeah, 4 is bigger than 3. So our answer should have written 4. But as per the greedy approach, I think we are getting 3 as an output. So greedy won't work out here. So like we have an option here, like to either to choose from here or either to drop from here. Like that we kind of have a option. And I'm pretty sure like money will always be a positive value. So yeah, that's very much clear. So I think we have a like option. So whenever there is an option, we should usually go with the backtracking one. So yeah, since greedy doesn't provide us with required answer, we have we have option to start from. We will be moving forward with TP. Yeah, that's much. Now we will try to like start coding it. Let's comment this down. Let's get traverse here. So traverse will have basically nums and for now, and it will have like index like 0. Yeah. So we will figure it out like what more we need in coming time. So but for the time being, I think this should be enough. We can start writing the traverse function. We'll have vector int ampersand nums, and we will have int idx. If idx is greater than nums dot size, this is pretty much like you can say like we have reached the limit, like the last house. So we can return 0 from here, like this is. There might be two cases. In one case, I will take the money, and in one case, I will not take the money from that house. So we need to have return max of, since we need to maximize the money which we can get. So we will have like nums of I plus traverse of, let's say, nums. So if I have taken money from this first house, it is very obvious that I cannot steal from here. So I need to make index plus 2, not 1 here, right? So I will be making idx plus 2, and we can have here again traverse, and we can have nums from idx plus 1. So yeah, that's much. I think we don't need to make any other changes here, and we will be adding some db statement here. Let's try to once run it. Okay, so it's not I it's idx, and let's have here greater than equal to, I think it will fail. Okay, let's again do it. Okay, let's have this function name correctly written down here. Yeah, this pretty much works. Now, actually, we were using till now the unordered map, right? So we were storing the value into it, and we were like trying to figure out like that value exists or not. So since we can go with unordered map also, but mostly I have seen like when people are doing the DP, they usually go with 2D array. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can move forward with that. But now for the time being, I am like okay with this one. So yeah, I will be making change here. So in unordered map only, unordered map int of MP. Now we will have like MP nums of idx. Yeah, we got like MP of nums of idx is equal to this. Okay, we will have like if MP dot find nums of idx, okay, is not equal to MP dot end, we will return MP of nums of idx. Yeah. So we got, if we are able to find it into the map, we are probably returning it. Yeah, let's try to submit it. So we ended up getting wrong answer here. We need to see like why we are getting the wrong answer here. Okay. So what is happening here is like it is coming here 1 and 3. Okay. So if we are taking that value, then we are moving like two step, right? It is going to nums of idx plus 1 either this call, then it will come here, it will have nums of idx plus, okay, okay, let's remove this statement for now, and let's try to run this test case without that. Yeah, so now somehow it is passing, that means we are not storing. Okay, I got it, what message. Actually we need to store idx here, I don't know why I was storing. Let's run it. Let's have here idx again, and mp.find idx. Yeah, let's try to run it again. Yeah, and yeah, that's all. So yeah, we were able to solve it, and thanks, that's the solution for this question. Thanks, bye.